The title of this research is The Concept of Self-Perceived Identity and its role in the legal gender recognition for the transgender community. In this research, we will see that the Transgender Act 2018 passed by the Parliament of Pakistan, which gives the right of self-perceived gender identity for the legal gender recognition of transgender community. We see that in this act, there are definitions mentioned of the gender expressions, gender identities, and then we see that there are three different categories of the transgender community, which are the intersex community, which are the unique community, and the third one is the community who have the different gender expressions and from their cultural expectations and the sex they are assigned at the birth. Further on, we see that this study is a very important social issue of the Pakistani society. Since more than 82,000 people have switched their genders. They have transited from male-female to the X gender category, which is the third gender category, the transgender community. So in this study, we see that the OECD criteria, Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, there are 6 different indicators are applied in this study, which are the relevance, coherence, efficiency, effectiveness, impacts, and the sustainability. These 6 indicators are applied on the concept of self-perceived identity, and we see that how much they are relevant, coherent, and efficient. Further, we see that the concept of self-perceived identity has been used by the psychologists in the late 1950s and the start of 1960s. This concept in Pakistan, it is used as a right of self-determination for the transgender people. So currently we see that as it is a very important social issue and it is a very dire topic which is discussed among the stakeholders of the Pakistani society. So further on, we see that the findings of this research shows that it is I think that the different stakeholders have the different point of view. We see that the majority of the stakeholders of the society and the participants believe that self-perceived identity has the negative impacts. But on the other side, the transgender group, there is a split among the transgender participants. And further we can see from the 2 different angles. The first angle, we say that the transgender people who have chosen the right of self-perceived gender identity, they are in favor of the tool of use of self-perception. But on the other hand, some people believe transgender that it is harming and it is seriously hampering the objectives of the Transgender Act and as well as the transgender society. Finally, by conclusion, we say that the further study must be conducted from solely from the transgender community, because they are the dominant actors of the society, and medical board must be constituted.